You've probably noticed it before. Some websites start with HTTP and some start with HTTPS. But that S can be the difference between your data being safe and your data being completely wide open to anyone who wants to read it. So what does it actually mean? Let's find out. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is just a fancy way of saying the rules computers use to talk to each other on the web. When you visit a website using HTTP, your browser sends a request to a server, the server sends back the page, and you're good to go. Simple, fast, works great. There's just one problem. Everything is sent in plain text, completely readable. No code, no lock, nothing. It's like sending a postcard. Sure, it gets there, but anyone who handles it along the way can read every word. Now, HTTPS is the same thing, but with one major upgrade: encryption. Before your data leaves your device, it gets scrambled into a code that only the destination server can unscramble. So even if someone intercepts it along the way, all they see is total gibberish. Imagine your postcard is now locked in a safe, and only the person you're writing to has the key. Okay, so does this actually affect you in real life? Absolutely. Every time you enter a password, a credit card number, or any personal info online, you want to make sure the site is using HTTPS. If it's only HTTP and you type in your password, anyone on the same Wi-Fi network could potentially intercept it. Not great. That little padlock icon in your browser, that's your signal that HTTPS is active and your connection is encrypted. If you don't see it, be careful with what you type. Here's a bonus reason HTTPS matters. Google actually ranks HTTPS websites higher in search results. So if you're building a website and you're still on HTTP, you're not just less secure, you're also less visible. That's a double loss. And browsers like Chrome will literally slap a not secure warning on HTTP sites. Not exactly the vibe you want your visitors to see. So to wrap it up, HTTP is the original web protocol, open, simple, and about as private as a postcard. HTTPS is the secure version, encrypted, trusted, and what every website should use. Next time you're about to enter your password somewhere, take 2 seconds to check for that little padlock. It might just save you a headache. If this made sense, drop a like. It helps a ton, and subscribe so I can create videos about the internet. See you next time.